Are you tired of being interrupted by annoying ads while using your favorite applications? It can be frustrating to have your experience disrupted by pop-ups and banners, but fear not. There are ways to remove ads from any application and enjoy uninterrupted usage. The first method to remove ads from an application is to upgrade to the premium or ad-free version if available. Many developers offer a paid version of their apps that is ad-free, providing a seamless user experience. By purchasing the premium version, you can support the developers and enjoy an ad-free environment. Another way to remove ads from an application is by using an ad blocker. Ad blockers are software that can be installed on your device to prevent ads from displaying while using various applications. These tools work by blocking ad servers and preventing them from delivering ads to your device, effectively removing ads from your applications. If upgrading to the premium version or using an ad blocker is not an option, you can also explore alternative applications that are ad-free. There are often alternative applications available that offer similar features without displaying ads. By switching to an ad-free alternative, you can enjoy using the application without any interruptions. It's important to note that while removing ads from applications can enhance your user experience, it's also essential to support developers who rely on ad revenue to maintain and improve their applications. If you find an application valuable and beneficial, consider supporting the developers by purchasing the premium version or engaging with the ads displayed. In conclusion, there are several ways to remove ads from any application. Whether it's by upgrading to the ad-free version, using an ad blocker, or switching to an ad-free alternative, you can eliminate interruptions and enjoy using your favorite applications without any ads. Remember to support developers who provide valuable applications by considering alternative ways to support their work.